more specific. This is a yellow named Amazon. Now let's start with something simple first. How about nice? Hello. Very nice. Can you tell everyone what's your name? Amigo. One more time, what's your name? Amigo. Now, amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? So how are you doing this morning? Good? Good to hear that. Now, amigo is also a very smart and intelligent man. Amigo, can you count 1 to 10 first in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Very good. Now, amigo, can you count 1 to 10 in Chinese? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, very good counting skills there. Amigo is also quite a singer. He knows how to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is going to be a local Mandarin song that's entitled Current Light. It simply means when a guest comes to visit. Now amigo, can you please sing the song in Mandarin? Wow, good singing there. The second song is going to be a Malay song. They are originated from Indonesia. It's titled Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. Feelings of love. Now, amigo, can you please sing the song Rasa Sayang? Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, very chirpy song there. Now the last song is going to be a birthday song. Before he starts singing that song, today is the 26th of December. Is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Please raise your hand. Let's start from this section. Okay, you ma'am, you've got one lady. Anybody else in this section? Okay, how about way in the center? Where? Oh, all the way out there. Okay, very good. You've got 2. Let me see. Anybody else? Okay, 3 of you. 4, 5. Okay, and I hope there is anybody else. Where? Okay, 6 of you. Okay, very good. Amigo, can you please sing for them? Yeah. Thank you very much for celebrating your birthday in the background. Amigo has done a very good job. It's time for you to hit tempo. Before that, I want all of you to wave and say bye, amigo. Bye-bye. Your turn. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. How about a louder round of applause for our talented yellow name Amazon? Now, after hearing amigo, you'll feel very tempted to purchase one as a pet. But please remember, these birds, they require lots of patience and commitment. And these birds, they can live up to 70 years old. So do remember that. Now, the next 2 birds that we're going to introduce to you, they're going to demonstrate how love